Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, it's been a long while again. The reason for that actually, it's because I was just doing some major upgrades in regards to my tech. New laptop, I got a headset for my phone so I can actually record from an actual mic and not from my phone's mic, and just some other things included. So I was just getting used to a new setup. Yeah, I would say it's half that and maybe half burnout. I don't want to say it's burnout per se, since I was still generating many ideas in regards to content, and I'm in the midst of writing scripts and like preparing for that content, because I have like a whole side doc or Word file of things that I'm planning to do. So again, sorry for the delay. I didn't want it to make you guys wait too long. It hasn't been a month yet, so at least it hasn't been a month, thank God. But yeah. Also, it's very late where I'm at. It's like 2 in the morning. So I'm just getting this time to record since no one's up, and I won't be. Hopefully no one makes any noise outside my room, so yeah. Man, I haven't spoken to this mic in a long time, and I don't have anything to talk about really. It's just that it's been a while since I made a video, so I guess I could talk about what's playing, what I'm drawing in the background. This was actually an assignment that I had to do for class in, like, I think my final year in art school. Just I had to do some character designs and my bad. Yeah, I had to do some character designs and bring them in and show it, and I guess have some exposition for these characters or the story that I had in mind, and we had to do a character lineup of the characters, and these are the characters. So yeah. How's your guys' day doing? I feel like I had one of the most stressful days. Not stressful, I just had quite an eventful day today, and I'm gonna have an eventful day tomorrow, or well, I should say today, since it's already 2, so it's already technically tomorrow. And I'm just trying to mentally prepare for that, since I'm meeting up with some friends, playing some games, eat some food, maybe drink some drinks, you know, the classic same old. And in that regard, I might upload another vlog relatively soon, actually, since I recorded some material about me and my outside excursions in New York, and all the things I could do in New York at night is damn near limitless. So I got some material, and this material dates back all the way in January, so no, December, and so yeah, I'll probably upload that vlog relatively soon after this video, just to, you know, spice up, since it's been a while since my anime NYC vlog. Also got some more manga that I want to show. Definitely gonna upload a video of that. I might do videos of my manga hauls and art book hauls instead of doing individual videos of manga that I get, like, instead of piecemeal. I do a video maybe once a month, or yeah, once every 2 months maybe, since I don't get manga art books that frequently. But as of yet, I have a whole mass collection of new art books I got in the past 2-3 months, and I have showed you guys anything. So I think I want to you know, have a video dedicated to showing what I got. And yeah, and each month I will show you, like, you know, things, art books, maybe manga, maybe comics will be a separate video too, since I've been getting into a lot of comics recently. Well, I've always been into comics, but I fell out, but I'm getting reintroduced to comics, so yeah, I think I'll show you guys that too, you know, just to add some more add some more meat to the bones of this YouTube channel. Speaking of this YouTube channel, I feel so bad when like you don't upload for like a good while, and when you come back, there's like more subscribers. I'm just like, guys, please, you make me feel bad. I don't deserve this. But yeah, I think I got like a good 100 or so subscribers since the last real video I made, which was technically the 2022 goals that I wanted to make for this channel. And speaking of YouTube again, I have a couple of friends that I sort of want to, I guess not really shout out, but I guess I'll shout them out anyway, since they're my friends. But one of them is Patron. She is a friend that I've known for forever, and she does art and anime videos too. So I'm gonna have a picture like displaying her YouTube, and she's already have 100 subscribers with just 11 videos. She's already doing better than me, so you could check her out if you want. Another friend is Shu Kong and Friends. He's another guy that I haven't talked to in a long time. Like, it's been years, and all I knew that he went to Japan, and that's all I knew. But recently he hit me up, and he said he was doing a YouTube channel. I'm like, oh, nice. And yeah, we started to reconnect, and yeah, it's been nice catching up. So check out Shu Kong and Friends, Pancha Dama, since those two get into the YouTube game and, you know, send some support. I've known these people for a while, so yeah, you know, you go if you want to, you go subscribe to them. No, I haven't checked my number of subscribers in a while. How much subscribers do I have actually? Because I keep forgetting the number. 1,830. A bit ways from 2,000. I'm gonna get there soon. Literally only a matter of time till I get there. When I do, I'm probably gonna make another video thanking you guys. I might do in 1,000 subscriber increments. Also, in terms of artist analysis, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't made any effort into making the artist analysis until today. That is, I'm beginning to write the script for one now, so that's gonna come. I don't know when, but I'm making it now. So just know that it is coming. And if I do finish early, like earlier than I expect, I will. You know, I might upload. I'm gonna upload it to my Patreon, then upload it to YouTube, because my Patreon right now, it's looking very bare right now. I've literally done no effort in making people want to pledge to me. That's gonna change this year. That's what I'm hoping gonna change this year. I just need to upload some more good quality content in there, like some exclusive stuff, and I hope to, you know, get some fans over, if you want to support me, that is. Oh yeah, and speaking of things, I need to upload more to Twitter. I haven't uploaded anything on Twitter in a while. Like, I know I'm liking things, like, and I think you guys see it too, since Twitter shows what you like, but I'm not uploading things like my art there, or like behind the scenes stuff. So I need to, you know, go do that. I can't have my social media be too radio silent if I intend to have an audience and loving fans to, you know, like I gotta give them something. I can't just expect a following and not do anything to work towards it. So yeah, that's it. That's technically the video. I know it's been lots of rambling and gibberish and me muttering over my words, but to be fair, it's 2 a.m, and I'm sort of going off the cuff, since this has no script, and I may sound dead, but I always sound dead. And again, it's 2 in the morning, so please bear with my groggy voice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. You could like the video. You can't dislike it anymore because, well, you can, but no one's gonna see it. Subscribe if you want. Follow my Instagram. Follow my Patron if you want. Twitter as well. You can follow all of those social medias. The link is in the description. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Ideally, I'm uploading the next video very soon. It's probably gonna be the vlog since I already have the clips uploaded. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.